We are debating the importance of the Prime Minister of this country.
What he's speaking about?
Yeah,
and
so
the
we
lapses
are.
in security of the Prime Minister.
Yes,
Nothing,
sir.
no one
Not
else.
creating sensationalism like you, not getting drama like you to get some 2 minutes of fame
We
on
don't have
national
to create
television,
sensation,
not
sorry.
to get 2 minutes of cheap fame like you are doing, sir. Sir, not to get cheap fame like you. Sardar
I'm very
ji,
sorry,
who's
sorry, we
sitting there,
don't buy.
spokesperson of BJP, is a
You
sensible
can go on
man.
with what you want to
He's a
say.
sensible
You can
man,
belittle
sir.
what has happened
I
today.
think
But fact
people
is,
like you
this
should
is the
refrain
first.
from
This
coming
might be the
from-
first time when
coming
such a
from
thing has happened in this
national
country.
television because you are a national
You
shame.
can
You are a
belittle what has
national
happened.
shame, sir. You are a national
You
shame.
can belittle what
I
has
think
happened today.
it is a national shame what you are talking about.
A couple of things now. Tanveer, don't get overexcited. Let me respond to you. Tanveer, 1 minute.
Very right,
Mr. Thakur,
very true.
Mr. Thakur, can I say something, please? If you allow me, both of you. If you allow me, both of you, can I make a point? Tanveer, 2 points tonight, right? 2 points. You may not know him. I've had the pleasure of knowing him. His name is Devesh Chandra Thakur, who you keep referring to, this man, stupid man, etc. You're saying. His name is Devesh Chandra Thakur. He is one of the senior most leaders from Bihar. He is presently deputy leader of the JDU in the Bihar Legislative Council. He's been a legislator longer than you have been in politics. So I think you're a little bit sophistication. Okay. Second point here. Second point. No. Second point. That's not the point. That's not the point. That's not the point. Tanveer, even that's not the point. Even that is not the point. The point here is,
Sensationalism has no space.
please, will you please, you know, you people use this word so loosely nowadays. MR, the common word they like to use is sensationalism. Anything we say, sensationalism, right? Anything in this country. We question a terrorist attack, sensationalism.
That's right.
We expose an act of corruption, sensationalism.
Prime Minister.
We ask anything, sensationalism. The Prime Minister's security is breached, sensationalism. Attack the media. I want to tell you one thing, Tanveer, before you come in. No, you may not. You will come in when I allow you.
No, Arnab, can
You may come in when I allow you.
The security of this country is breached. The Prime Minister's security, the SPG, the BSF, everybody who knows about it. Is he trying to say that it was pre-planned? And you want me to buy that?
Yes.
You want me to buy that?
I don't want you to buy anything. I'm telling you something. If you're going to be so worked up, I can't talk to you. If you're going to be so worked up, I can't talk to you. If you are going to be quiet, I'll explain to you. I will explain to you. I will explain to you and to people like you. I will explain to you and to people like you.
System of this country, much more than everybody sitting here.
Okay, Mr. Security Expert, will you be quiet for a minute? Question here is this. The information was known to the Punjab police. The route was cleared by the Punjab police. The Punjab police knew the contingency route of the Prime Minister. The Punjab police said it's absolutely all right. The Punjab police told the Prime Minister's security the Prime Minister should travel on this road. The Punjab police cleared the road. And this Channi, this Chief Minister Channi says, last minute people came in, last minute 20 trucks came in. Out of your mind. And then after that, within 15 minutes, Channi's party, the Vadra Congress, starts asking, how is the Josh? How is the Josh? You put the Prime Minister of India's life at risk and you're going around saying, how is the Josh? Who is this fellow BV Srinivas? Who is this fellow BV Srinivas, MR Venkatesh? Who is this fellow BV Srinivas who says, Modi ji, how is the Josh at 2:37 p.m.? And what does that reflect, MR? 1 minute, Kapil, please be quiet for a minute. Please, now MR is debating. MR is on the debate. Can you be quiet? Thank you, MR.
Arnab, what happened today is absolutely deplorable, and I would blame the Punjab police squarely for it. And what followed was a macabre dance of the lowest point in political history in India, where people like Srinivas started tweeting and virtually hailing what has happened in Punjab. I would also request the central government, thus far and no further, I think the DGP and the Chief Secretary of Punjab must be summoned to Delhi tomorrow morning and asked to explain what the hell has happened. See, this is no longer a fight between BJP and Congress. Arnab, I don't want to get into this nonsense of BJP versus Congress. This is the Prime Minister of India. Tomorrow you may be the Prime Minister, I may be the Prime Minister, or Rahul Gandhi may be the Prime Minister. But what is important is the august office of the Prime Minister of this country. I know it is a very frightful thought, but yes, it is a frightful thought. But Arnab, the important thing is the office of the Prime Minister cannot be diluted to this extent. The security breach cannot be happening at this level. the DGP of the state, the Chief Minister of the state, the Chief Secretary of the state. I think by this time the central must have sent a demarche and asked them for an explanation. What the hell is the central government doing also? And I think the central government must put pressure on the state government. And unfortunately, we are allowing, same thing, the Prime Minister coming to Chennai on 12th of January. Already the Dravidian leaders are telling the same thing which is happening in Punjab will be repeated in Tamil Nadu. This cannot be allowed. This vociferous tendency must be nipped in the bud and with an iron hand.